Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. Gagawa po tayo ng soy milk and tofu. So I have here soybeans. It's already soaked overnight. So this is like a pound of soybean. So I'm gonna blend it first. So here, dinagyan ko siya ng 3 cups of water, and then we're gonna blend. And now we have our almost boiling water here, and then we're gonna pour the blended soy milk with pulp, because they suggested that it's easier to strain it or squeeze it in a cheesecloth when we cook them first. Let's just simmer for a little bit, mix like that. Then we have to turn off the heat, cool it down, and squeeze it. And now we're gonna slowly strain it right here. So this is the cheesecloth, or not cloth, whatever. You're gonna strain it right there. And then we're gonna cook it back, the strained soy milk, to cook a little bit more. Boil it a little bit until it's bubbly, and then turn it off. And then as a coagulant, we use magnesium chloride, or nigari. It's a powdered form. We need 1.5 teaspoon with 1/2 cup of water to dissolve them. We dissolve it. Dissolve in water. This is how to thicken the tofu. Coagulant. Then we're gonna pour it right here. It's curdling. So now it's curdling, guys. So that's what we're gonna make tofu until the water separates. So here it's like this, and now we're gonna transfer into our mold.